That's a lot of day. It'll be evening soon. Ooh. Yeah, but don't worry. We'll find some nature. Did you say nature? Nature? Nature! Yeah, nature. Nature! This episode of camping is called Nature. Hello, guys. Have you seen a backpack before? Lucky. Time for a tent. Big day tomorrow. We can set up our tents first. We can know about walkie-talkies. I'll pick up the bass. I'll just collect nature stuff. Woohoo! Middle. This one, that one. Which spot can we pick? Aha! This one, and this one. I got it. I put it right here. Oopsie. Ooh, I want to put that green tent over there. Green. Ta-da! Ready? Ready for walkie-talkies? Outside. Okay, ready for walkie-talkies. Okay, see you later. Bye. Oh, Ariella! Hi. I was just checking out my magazine. I'm an animal. So you're your finder. Okay. I'll just pick up some things. At the old basket. Acorn, this one, that, this. Oh, it's a flower. It's another nature stuff. They're nature, 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 nature. Oh, that's enough. Oh, you're so cute. I'll call you Gail. Ah! Patrick! What's the matter? I got bitten. Okay, don't worry. It won't affect. Okay. Okay, first, get in the water. Next, it's going to rub your arm. Thank you. My arm is okay now, and I'm so happy. It won't affect me ever again. I saw an egg! Me too. Last kid. Oh. Campacana. Ooh, ready for tonight? Oh, that's neat.